What can Wondershare Uniconverter do for you? Suppose you ever struggled managing your video files. Whether it's converting formats, reducing the file size, or enhancing the quality, this might be the tool for you. In fact, Wondershare Uniconverter is an easy-to-use tool that helps simplify complex workflows, helping beginners as well as video pros enhance the visual media effortlessly. In this video, I will show you how UniConverter 16 can transform your video editing process with cutting-edge features like AI-powered enhancements, batch processing, and a super streamlined interface. Whether it's editing videos for personal projects or professional content creation, you might find this all-in-one toolkit useful. Wondershare Uniconverter 16 can be downloaded from here. I do want to mention it's a paid tool, but most productivity boosting tools usually are. And if it by the end of the day saves you valuable time, which you by the way won't be able to get back, it might be worth it. It would for me, as I'm often glued hours in front of the computer making content for you guys. But there's a trial version available, so you can try out the features. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the new sleek interface. UniConverter 16 makes navigating the provided tools very easy. You can customize your workspace by pinning your most used features on the left sidebar. Do you need the converter or video editor on hand? No problemo. Just add them to your favorites. Simple, clean, and efficient. Now let's explore what's new in the converter. It's all about speed and quality. The architecture has been optimized for lightning fast processing, especially for Intel graphics users. With support for ProRes, H.264, HAVAC, and more, you can easily handle everything from 4K to 8K. If you're a GoPro or DJI user, UniConverter now fully supports footage from popular action cameras. That's essential as I use both. Key upgrades for the converter tool: AI-enhanced compression and batch features. The new AI-enhanced compression mode. This is where it gets really exciting. Imagine shrinking your files with up to 50 to 60% without compromising quality. That is perfect for saving space and sharing files quickly. In the world of social media, this is more important than before, as turnaround times are getting shorter and shorter. And actually one of the biggest challenges that I have working with external editors is to get the files to them so they can start working on my projects. And often I'm in the situation where I have more clips that I want to change and modify. This is where UniConverter 16 is really cool and I can save a bunch of time. UniConverter now supports batch editing for trimming, resizing, watermarking, and even AI enhancements. You can also get access to AI tools that can upscale, denoise, and restore videos in bulk. This is definitely a game changer handling or juggling multiple projects. Can you now see the value? I definitely can. Powerful add-ons. UniConverter is not just about video. It offers tools for all photo restoration, Blu-ray burning, and even translation for more than 130 languages with a 95% accuracy.
Jeg har været så heldig at få fat i den nye drone fra DJI, som er en kompakt og brugervenlig drone på kun 135 gram. Perfekt for begyndere. Den kan lette fra din håndflade, og den kan lande igen automatisk. Det gør flyvningen super nem og enkel.
This feature makes it easier to create and share globally accessible content, which I need to test out here on YouTube, as I'm only tapping into the fraction of the audience that is on this platform. This feature makes it easier to create global accessible content. Why choose UniConverter 16? If you haven't realized what sets the Wondershare Uniconverter apart, then let me give you a few more arguments. It's the only video converter that handles true parallel batch processing. That means that you can convert multiple videos into different formats all simultaneously. And with its support for 4K at 120 FPS up to 8K resolution, it's definitely ready for future content creation. On top of that, its AI-enhanced workflows streamline repetitive tasks and ensure you get professional results regardless of your levels. If you are as excited as I am about the UniConverter 16, then head over to videoconverter.wondershare.com to get started. I do want to mention that this video is made in collaboration with Wondershare, that reached out to me and asked me to introduce this tool to you guys. Let me know in the comments which of the features that you would like me to explore further. and I might create a separate video about it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.